Reach new heights. NCTC ACA Connects Independent Show 2025 highlights. Elevate your experience at the NCTC and ACA Connects Independent Show 2025 in Salt Lake City. In a world where connectivity is paramount, the upcoming Independent Show promises to be a pivotal event for industry professionals. Scheduled from August 10th to 13th, 2025, at the Salt Palace Convention Center in Salt Lake City, Utah, this 20th annual gathering, organized by the National Content Technology Cooperative, NCTC, and America's Communications Association, ACA Connects, is themed Reach New Heights. Lou Bugnelli, the CEO of NCTC, emphasizes the organization's commitment to innovation, stating, "At NCTC, we're not just discussing innovation, we're actively implementing it for our members. Our goal is to provide practical ideas that resonate with the current landscape, whether that involves launching mobile services or redefining content strategies." This year's Independent Show aims to equip every participant with the essential information, tools, and networking opportunities necessary to foster growth and maintain a competitive edge in an ever-evolving industry. The focus of the 2025 show will be on generating additional revenue, fostering future innovations, and enhancing collaboration to address the most urgent challenges faced by nearly 700 NCTC members and 500 ACA Connect service providers. Key topics will include navigating the intricacies of a fiercely competitive market, harnessing new technologies for expansion, and adapting to changing consumer behaviors. Among the significant initiatives are NCTC's comprehensive solutions for launching mobile services, bundling options with Broadband TV, and insights from its AI Center of Excellence. This pilot program explores innovative applications such as smart chatbots, automation of trouble tickets, and predictive service planning. Additionally, ACA Connects will assist its members in understanding the regulatory environment, which includes the Federal Communications Commission's FCC extensive deregulatory initiatives, updates to the Broadband Equity Access and Deployment (BEAD) program, state-level rate regulations, and potential reforms to the Universal Service Fund (USF). Grant Spellmayer, President and CEO of ACA Connects, highlights the importance of their members, stating, "Our members are the true innovators in our industry, working tirelessly to connect more Americans to dependable internet, video, and voice services. At the Independent Show, we will empower them by facilitating discussions on the significant regulatory changes that are shaping broadband and telecom policies. Whether it's about the BEAD program modifications, the looming threat of rate regulation, or the potential for permitting reforms, ACA Connects is dedicated to simplifying complexities, advocating vigorously, and helping our members advance with assurance." Attendees can look forward to a wealth of knowledge from expert-led panels, engaging speakers, and interactive breakout sessions covering a variety of topics, including strategies for programming, streaming, bundling, and retaining customers, innovations in broadband, such as DOCSIS 4.0 and fiber technology, effective strategies for launching mobile services, applications of AI in enhancing customer experience and operational efficiency, legal and financial preparedness for AI adoption, the evolving regulatory landscape and broadband funding, cultivating workplace culture and developing talent, strategic business growth through partnerships with NCTC. The agenda will feature notable keynote speakers including Marci Rossell, former chief economist for CNBC, discussing the impact of inflation, tariffs, and funding uncertainties on broadband and video service consumers. Craig Moffett, founding partner at Moffett Nathanson, sharing insights on fiber, fixed wireless access, FWA, shifts in the video market, and significant mobile opportunities. Evan Shapiro, an Emmy-winning media cartographer, exploring how disruptions in media and technology are reshaping competition and convergence. No Independent Show experience would be complete without its signature evening events. Attendees can enjoy a themed welcome party on Sunday night and an exciting off-site adventure at Utah Olympic Park, featuring the Flying Aces and Olympic medalist Shannon Barkey, ensuring a blend of fun and networking opportunities. Pre-show event, August 9th. The Marketing Innovators Group, exclusive to NCTC members, will host an interactive workshop featuring expert sessions aimed at maximizing return on investment, ROI, and enhancing customer engagement. Topics include the new marketing mosaic presented by Shauna Succo, charting the ascent, designing the new customer journey led by Marci Rossell, activating growth mindsets in your team by Susie Tomanchak, Ask the Experts, featuring leading broadband providers and fiber innovators. Save the dates for upcoming events. Winter Educational Conference, February 16th to 18th, 2026, in Las Vegas at the M Hotel. ACA Connect Summit, March 3rd to 5th, 2026, in Washington, D.C. The Independent Show, July 26th through 29th, 2026, in Orlando, Florida. About the National Content Technology Cooperative, NCTC. The National Content Technology Cooperative, NCTC, is a not-for-profit organization based in Kansas, representing nearly 700 independent cable and broadband operators. NCTC negotiates content, connectivity, and technology solutions for its member companies, fostering operational efficiencies, new product development, and sustainable revenue growth. For more information, visit https://www.nctconline.ax, America's Communications Association. ACA Connects is a trade organization that represents around 500 small to medium-sized independent companies, providing broadband, video, and phone services to approximately 29.5 million households. Members operate in every state, delivering advanced communication services that connect homes, businesses, schools, hospitals, and more. The economic prosperity of smaller communities and rural areas relies on the success of independent operators who believe that a connected nation is a prosperous nation. For more information, visit www.acaconnects.org.